These viral AI car restoring videos are taking over social media right now, and I genuinely think this is going to be the next massive AI trend on Instagram. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same completely free. Let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT and simply paste this prompt and hit enter. It will instantly provide you 20 car names to choose from, or you can simply use your personal favorite car. Now just select any one you like and then open this prompt link from the description below. Simply copy the full prompt because everything has already been prepared for you. You only need to replace one small section. After that, head over to Google Flow. Here, select the video option and then choose Omni Flash as your video model along with your other desired settings. Once that's done, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Now copy your favorite car name from ChatGPT and paste it into the desired vehicle section inside the prompt. That's the only thing you need to change. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate, and within just a few seconds, your AI car restoring video will be ready. Let's watch the result together. That's literally the complete process and can generate unlimited unique videos. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the next viral AI niche the moment it drops.